Hello, welcome to Krishnendu Sengupta YouTube video channel. Here I am showing you a radar circuit diagram and its programming, which is controlled by microcontroller Arduino. Arduino. Here you can see that there is two LEDs, one green and one red. If there is a danger sign, like a fighter enemy aircraft is nearest to the radar range, then red light will be blinking, and if the distance is safe distance, then green LED will be blinking. And here I have used ultrasonic. You can see in the screen I am using ultrasonic sensor for the radar detecting technology, and here is a buzzer round with the LED, uh, red LED blinking, and here is a servo motor for the movement of 180-degree angle, 0 to 180-degree angle for the radar. Now the connect in this connection you can see that LEDs LED's positive terminal all is connected with LED's positive terminal is connected with Arduino 8 pin. Red LED's positive terminal is connected with Arduino 7 number pin, and green LED's positive terminal is connected with Arduino 8 number logical. Those are logical pins, and servo motors logical pin green colored is also connected with 5 number of logical pin of Arduino, and all the power pin of servo motor power pin is connected with breadboard anode portion. And here uh, here you can see ultrasonic sensor VCC. It is connected with um, it is connected with the breadboard. It is connected with the breadboard anode section, and all the ground terminal of servo motor. Here you can see the ground sorry, there is a mistake, sorry. And you can see the ground terminal of servo motor is connected with, here I am marking, is connected with breadboard's ground connection, and ground terminal of sonar sensor, no ground terminal, not ground, eco connector logic pin 10, and trigger pin terminal with logic pin 9, and ground is connected to breadboard ground connection, and power of the sonar sensor is connected to breadboard power section. Here all the red wire is connected with all the red wire of sonar, and all the red wire from sonar. 1 minute. all the all the red wire from sonar, all the red colored wire from sonar, piezo, I mean buzzer. Here you can say buzzer, buzzer, no, buzzer red colored. Here you can notice that buzzer red colored wire and LEDs red color wire are being connected with Arduino's logical pin 786, and Arduino's power pin 5 volt is connected with this wire connected with breadboard power section, and servo motor pin connected with breadboard power pin, and servo motor logic pin connected with breadboard logic pin 5. Here the difference is buzzer and LEDs. In case of buzzer and LEDs, the red colored wire is connected with the logic pin of Arduino microcontroller, and in other case the red colored wire of sonar and Arduino 5 volt servo motor are connected with breadboard power section. Servo motor are all the ground section and ground wire and ground all the ground wire, I mean black colored wire, are connected with breadboard's cathode section, and ground from Arduino ground pin is connected with breadboard cathode section. So it is the circuit diagram. It is the circuit diagram of my Arduino radar. Here let's zoom out. Here you can see that um, red LED, green LEDs power section connected with Arduino logical pin, servo motor logical pin connected with Arduino logical pin, servo motor power section connected with breadboard power section, servo motor ground connected with breadboard brown ground section, mm, and Arduino ground section connected with breadboard cathode section, and ultrasonic sensor ultrasonic sensor ground pin is connected with breadboard ground section and trigger and echo pin are connected with Arduino logical pin, and VCC of ultrasonic sensor connected with breadboard power section, and buzzer power section is connected with breadboard logical 6 pin, and buzzer. Here the only difference is that the power pin of LED and buzzer are connected with Arduino Uno microcontrollers logic pin, but all but other in other case all the power pin are red colored power pin are connected with breadboard's power section, and all the black color ground wire are connected with breadboard's ground section, means cathode section. Now I am explaining the code. In this code we assume the variable as LED1, LED2, trigger pin, echo pin, and piezo. Here the variables and associated pin numbers, and initialize I variable int I for future purpose. Here declaration of variable long duration and int distance. Here in the void setup function, pin mode, the void setup function is for serial begin 9600 is the baud rate, and pin mode LED1 output means it is output device, LED2 output device, trigger pin output device, echo pin input device. Trigger pin emits signal, echo pin receives signal, that's why it is input device. Piezo a buzzer device, that why it is output device. And when servo S1 is an object of servo motor function, S1 attach 5. Here why I have written 5? This is the question. Here 5 number pin is attached with logical pin of servos. I mean to say 5 number of Arduino's pin is attached with logic pin of servo motor. That's why S1 dot attach in the first bracket 5, and here the loop function of radar rotation is being executed for int I 15 to 165 I plus plus. S1 dot write I delay 30 distance, call distance function. Distance function is called distance function for calculation of the distance of object, enemy object. Serial dot print I for printing the distance, serial dot print slash serial dot print distance, serial dot print slash for int I. When the radar rotate to reverse direction, then I equal to 165, I greater than 15, I minus minus s1 dot write same as previous, and int call distance function is here calling, and trigger pin low simultaneous sequence here showing. Trigger pin digital write, trigger pin low, delay microsecond 2, digital write, trigger pin high, delay microsecond 10, digital write, trigger pin low, duration high low, low high low. Here the sequence is being executed for the trigger pin, and the duration for pulse in echo pin high, distance equal to duration star 0.34. Here mathematical formula for this calculating the distance, return distance if distance greater than 40, digital LED high, that means if the enemy object is greater than equal to 40, then it is safe zone. Else LED 1 high, digital write piezo high. LED 1 high means here you can see green LED is in pin number 8, connected with pin number 8. Green LED is logical pin and red LED is logical pin number 7. So in the code section, here you can see LED 1 7, pin number 7 is connected with red LED. Red LED. So when the distance is greater less than 40, then red signal means danger signal will be executed, and piezo buzzer round will be executed. I hope you will understand the circuit diagram and code successfully, and if I start simulation here, after a few times there will be no error. Simulation is being started here. Thank you for watching the video. If you like my video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.